For chemistry class, we are doing a project that is to bake two types of cookies. One is just a normal cookie, and then they had to, using the same recipe, change one variable.
I think that baking is a lot like a science lab in general because you have to follow a recipe, which is like a procedure. And there's also lots of chemistry happening in baking. So if you use an egg, for example, what is the role of that egg in the chemical reaction? When you're baking a cake or a cookie, what chemical reactions are happening?
Yeah. You think that's good? Should I keep going?
We took eggs out of our cookie, because we wanted to see what would happen if you had a batch of cookies with no eggs and no protein to hold it together. We're doing egg whites. Egg whites and sugar can be used for like meringues, and meringues are very like light and airy. So we're hoping it'll have the same effect on cookies if we like beat the egg whites a little bit.
At this point in time, they will have written their procedure. They know what ingredient they're going to change. They've identified kind of what the control is, what the constants are, what the different variables are, and the goal is to just have one variable that's changed.
Set a timer for 9 minutes.
Okay, put them right here. Yep, perfect.
So these ones is the full egg, and then this one is the non-full egg, but the only thing I really noticed differently, this one's also the half egg. So it's like kind of like a different texture. These ones are like more crumbly and not as like put together as the ones with the full egg.
But yeah, but the ones with the whole eggs, they have like a crunchier outside.
Like this is the inside of one, without eggs, and then show like the inside of that one.
This one has
That one
eggs,
has
a little
eggs,
bit more
and there's like a
doughy.
difference. Yeah, it's like thicker.
Instead of seeing science as something that can be intimidating or scary for some students, we figured this was a way of teaching them about experimental design, but also having it be something that they can look back on 20 years from now and remember. It's a lot of trial and error, seeing whether their data supports their hypothesis or whether their data doesn't support their hypothesis, both being okay. Data is data. Until they finally kind of make their conclusions and report to other scientists and other peers about what that project was and the importance of it.